Twitter says your mind Xa. Obo say the pardon na verify omo account because Instagram the last time I verify my account no. The omo ye no mani answer na nje because ni dina e taking chi no. Omo change ni ye dina wo ID card no nya dey bia mani je ho because even though say na ma subscribe to that package na we but say na me nim say bibi sa na ba happy na kamenye sure say me because Twitter obi timi verify you so ID card na verify obi wo kra na or the DMB na to but still ano omo money verify. Though say video we make sure how bit me first so verify our Twitter account but me person me can do is very important. And I will share Facebook na Instagram. Subscribe to verification no because Facebook for more offer service behind the Ghana for because okay Facebook now we Ghana now we country no Ghana untimi monetize your video or you create untimi monetize your video even though say what subscribe to sa verification ka untimi monetize nti we Ghana higher me who reason ti ya obetwe sky verify o Facebook account na on nebo no so na e was so ma as compared to say now okita 1000 Ghana cedis obetinya verify 1 year no oko Facebook and say Instagram 1 year no obetinya cost be 2000 something abra oye creator kra na una Africa na omo skabia but later on me who say omo Ghana for no so what posti wo ho na wa subscribe to sa verification na maintenance one omo twa woka nti wo hwe video na o Twitter video be important at the amount also person on this car Twitter you say on verify account now remember X nti uba X here so person on verify account at times na confuse kakra cause so person verify obo profile no say na waba premium oba premium first cry na oba premium won say get back soon the big visa but say it seems say omo affect but still ano uba ubenya errors but you will be or abetimi afa so subscribe and na metro social into uba premium higher won say a better show features be more ubenya cause uba be uchi see basic na sa basic no unya verification we number but you here hade check mark no say ma eno nya available basic even though so bit ma subscribe to basic but open verification and this Uber premium into Uber premium hana won say verification check mark na dey e wo ha say o ma mark nti or subscribe to sa premium obenya and at the same time sa premium we no o ye creator obetimi anya ska or say get paid to post nti o post what Twitter wana maintenance one o me dey o be mo ska but requirements wo a e so meeting nti see am fancy me person me subscribe to we no ma post start say try again later as I say untimi yes some between first verify account me say e be use PC last time me try PC even though say me am verify my Twitter account but me try PC and then go through me call out to the extent say meet me abo me card no number national then no more payment then no more verify my account nti yes me no ma me say info mo come PC no na be say ababiem nti say sia wo be X no I Twitter no wo be wo PC ne so no nti de obe ne say e be ba subscribe pachi you subscribe to say bia me phone na me call subscribe na nti e be ba subscribe obo subscriber nti e be bisa I am an individual na organization or you individual to be about subscribe obo subscribe I do be next page wo to say bia ba akora na me ye na e wo phone so na ti enye we na ye pe but che say enye premium plus na ye pe premium ti ye be ba chiri sei nti ye ba chiri sei na ye be ba premium it's a premium na price no any $8 per month any premium no and also no like as normal creator they may show say we be premium ni be now and no post o metri aka na the same time they open bia benya nti ba be chisi e bia ye o person twa ye ni momi ye ni nyina moma $84 that's like 1000 Ghana cedis nti ba be bo $84 1000 Ghana cedis then no abo subscribe and pay nti bo subscribe and pay you say ye no phone so na ye nya error say face issues but PC no so de e de yakọ payment a you kwakọ check it out nti hasi na be complete payment no minim say process we PC no so na be work am because the moment it me aba ha e be say payment details no kwa dan say e be work am as compared to phone no be email no about card na person for mpian no about card ni dinner was no what is country near Ghana then no about subscribe we na feedback be I leave for to video we as ni na den e send free home did this video be bo ama na bia we bia no be ko anim your first time aba mani be subscribe channel we ama bia ye bia no e na betimi akoye ni follow Tech Kitchen on Facebook. Hit your subscribe channel. Many videos paper bro. Many videos are who here. On Ghana have ya de bia. Unim. I don't know.